Hey guys, it's me, Indigo from a Disney blog. I am standing here with what looks to be a box of an RC BB-8. Now I'm excited to open up this thing. Now I got my scissors, so let's do it. Here we go. And more tape, no. Ooh. Great, this is exactly what I thought it was. The Star Wars BB-8 Hero Droid. Now you can set it to follow you. It has 360-degree remote control, and you can tell it voice commands. Now let's open this box up. Here we go. And whoa, this is cool. So we have what seems to be the head and the remote control in this one. See the head right here. We have the voice command mode and the main manual for it, and its charging cord. Let me take out this extra packaging. And, oh, this is gonna be hard to get out. The droid itself. This is incredibly heavy. This BB-8 droid is huge. So right now what we have on the table is everything that was inside the box. We have a quick start guide, an instruction guide, the chargers for charging the BB-8, we have the game controller, we have the head, we have antennas to install the head, and we have the BB-8 droid itself, which is about the size of a beach ball. So, for comparison purposes, we have a BB-8 Sphero Droid. Now, if you put it next to the head, it's a little bit small. Now, this Sphero BB-8 droid is 4.5 inches. So, when you put it next to the body, it is tiny.
All right, go.
This is how you install the head. Oh, don't worry, I'll put you back on. Right now. Now make sure you hear, just gotta make sure you hear that sound. And it should work. I'm putting it on follow me. See if this works. Hello. BB-8. Stand guard. Droid, please. Stormtroopers.
No. Come here.
No? Okay.
Where is Poe?
Go to sleep. And there you have it, BB-8. The two biggest problems I had with his BB-8 droid were that it's really hard to move around in small spaces, and the head pops off if you hit anything. Right? What I like about BB-8 is how he is BB-8 and he can move around and act like BB-8. He even has a personality. And if you leave him alone, he will move around by himself like he is here. Because I have a remote behind him, but I'm not touching him and he's moving his head. The follow feature works, so when you hold for remote, BB-8 will follow you around, but he doesn't follow you in a straight line. So again, you don't want to use it in a small space.